Yeah, thank you for being in my kitchen where we're always on a mission to find nutrition. I'm just about done here. I got some ground turkey and some peas. Some of the most nutritious vegetables you got right there are some peas. You feel me? Now I'm gonna let this cool down. Woo! You know what I'm saying? Thank you for being in my kitchen. Again, we're always on a mission to find nutrition. That means you're trying to get healthy, eat as healthy as possible, and be effective with your time in the gym. Today I wanted to come with a quick tip because people ask me, how many reps should I do for this? How many reps should I do for that? And I would just say this. Let me show you what I got here. When it comes to these things, dumbbells. You feel me? Why do they call them dumbbells? Because you gotta be smart, baby. You feel me? There's a King Tut rule, T-U-T, time under tension. So if you ask me if it should be 10 reps, you know, I'm gonna tell you, sometimes you gotta go with feeling, all right? Keep in mind, you wanna make sure it's time under tension. So they usually say 10 reps because they figure you're gonna do some nice good reps. But if you do your reps like this, right? That's different than if you get nice controlled, yeah, time under tension, right? Arnold Schwarzenegger said he didn't even count until it started to hurt. That's when he started to count. Time under tension, right? King Tut rule. King Tut, baby. Woo! But anyways, that's just a quick tip to be effective. So they say 20 reps. If you can do 20, you graduate. Go on to a heavier weight, bro. Now, let's plate this. Woo! Yeah. Check it out. Just let it roll off on the plate. Now, I usually eat eggs with this. Put 1 or 2 eggs for added nutrition. But today I'm just keeping it lean. You know what I'm saying? I want to keep it extra lean. You feel me? That way, in case anybody has any cupcakes they want to offer, I might be able to take a bite. You feel me? Anyways, thank you for being in my kitchen. Always on a mission to find nutrition. That's what's up.